Hello folks, thanks for watching this video. My name is William Callahan and I'm a representative with the 1Click trading software system. It's a special artificial intelligence software especially designed for trading altcoins. You might not be familiar with altcoins. You don't have to be at all, because you see, the software is completely trained to identify the best deals for you. So you don't have to go through a big learning curve. You don't have to do tons and tons of research every single morning. You don't have to be looking at all these charts and so on and so forth. This software is designed to do all that and to pick out the best trades. It picks it out when it drops down below its normal up and down average, about 10 to 15% below average, and then when it's on the rise upwards is when it gives you a signal to your phone or computer, a ding, a noise, a sound, an alert, to go ahead and buy if you so choose to buy that one. Now, what happens here is there's complete over-the-shoulder video trading instructions, simple to follow, to set up a Coinbase or any type of wallet that you want, how to set up a coin exchange, get registered in the whole shot. And, that could be quite challenging for some people if you've never done that before, but these videos make it quite simple. They're very clear and concise, and it even tells you how to move money from the wallet into the coin exchange, how to hook up the coin exchange to the app on your cell phone or what have you. It tells you every single thing you need to know, except it doesn't tell you anything about the trading, because you don't need to know anything, because the software does it all. Now, every time it comes up with a click, which could be hundreds of them a day, and you set up how much money you want for each trade, like minimum $15. I would suggest that amount so you can have plenty of trades going on at one time. Some might be going up, some coming down. If it comes down too far, it sells off. Now, what's really amazing about this software is they came up with the idea of putting in a trailing stop. Now, some of you know what stop losses are. But a trailing stop loss means right after you buy it, a short distance beneath the value where you bought it will be a stop loss. But as your altcoin goes up in value, the trailing stop loss follows it at a safe enough distance where it can do some minor fluctuations up and down as it's on the rise. And if it suddenly drops too far and crosses that line, it sells off, the trade is closed, and the profit is yours, all of it. Because the company does not take any of your profit. All that money goes straight back into your exchange. You keep it all. So now you don't have to worry about some broker making a mistake or some broker being a thief, keeping all your money, making lies. You don't have to worry about a high-yield investment project type fly-by-night company. You know how they're always coming and going. They're there one day, gone the next. This is software that you rent by the month. And you get all your information set up and so on and so forth. Now, I don't want to take too much of your time, so I do want to tell you about the other half of the business. If you're interested in that, it's the referral system. It's a very, very lucrative system. It will pay you for the first five. The first 5 commissions you get for signups is going to be $7 each. After that, you're considered a super affiliate, and you're going to get $14 each signup, and that's Bitcoin going directly into your Bitcoin account immediately. When that person makes the sale, the buy, and pays the company pays the company, takes the software, boom, you get paid. And that's monthly pay, month after month, as long as the customer stays in the program. Now, this is what you call definitely a multi-level, but it's a 5-wide, a matrix, 5 wide, 9 layers deep. That's like your first level, so your signups are going to be 45. You get more is what's called spillover. It'd be too long a story, but it all comes down, so you have a chance of getting signups that you haven't even done. Those signups come up from the people above you, me and the person who signed me up, and so on and so forth. Because we're still going to get commissions anyways. But it goes all the way, so 45 now on the next level. If all those people got 45, that's like 45 people times 45 more people times your commissions. On the third level, once again, if it got filled up, it would be another 45. This goes down all the way 9 levels. So it's almost like 2 million signups when the matrix is filled. Now, multiply that by, I can't do this. Multiply that by $14 a commission on your calculator and see what you get. And now you know why I'm promoting this, besides wanting so much to use this beautiful software on getting the altcoins. And so basically, before we run out of time, I just wanted to let you know that I do have a special sign-up link for you. It costs $90 a month. Yeah, that's all, just $90 a month. So you're not buying it. You don't need like $1,000 or a couple $1,000 to buy the software. You're doing it off the cloud, so it's really very easy. You don't need a lot of high-tech computer equipment. You don't need any of that. It's just nonsense. You don't need any of that. So it's a very simple, very powerful, very lucrative program to get into, especially now that Bitcoin is about to halve. Now, we're not going to get into that. It's a long story. But what we've seen in the past, every time it has done that, it's gone up tremendously in value. Now, that's Bitcoin. What we're talking about here are altcoins, and they're much, 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 much cheaper. It might be a few cents per coin to buy, and it's all digital currency, just like Bitcoin, but it might be a couple dollars. Compare, say, Bitcoin is kind of like a blue chip on the stock market, and these altcoins are little tiny baby Bitcoins. They're like, the brand new IPOs and the penny stock market type stocks. That's how cheap they are compared to Bitcoin. But they go up incredibly amounts compared to what the Bitcoin goes up when it halves. And the halves are coming up in mid-May. In fact, one day before my birthday, which is May 12th, and it's having on the 11th, transcending into the 12th of this year, May. So I'm pretty excited to have you see this opportunity. I'd really like you to go to the videos that I have listed there in my profiles and check them out. One's the overview, pretty much what I just spoke about. I went into it a little bit more on the referral side because it doesn't speak a lot about that. But I know a lot of you are into referrals. For me, I'm mostly into the trading. I've been marketing most of my life before the internet even got here. And the phone number routine, classifieds, newspapers. The internet, eventually postcards, and things go round and round in the internet. And here I am again. About the past half of my lifetime, I've been investing and so on and so forth, doing the A-chips and stuff. So I was very extremely excited to see the software come out. I've always dreamed of something like this. So please check out the 2 videos I got. One, you'll find a place to sign up there. Please do. And contact me if you have any questions or anything. I'll help you out in any way that I possibly can. Thank you.